No talk, guys. So I've been listening to Playboi Carti, I Am Music, and I just recently have a crazy epiphany that I had while listening to the album, and I realized I really like Swamp Izzo ad-libs. Let's talk about it. Now you may be wondering, who the fuck is Swamp Izzo? Nigga, this is Swamp Izzo, you dumbass. Swamp Izzo is Atlanta's biggest DJ, behind many of your classic projects like Young Scooter, Young Thug and his mixtape era, being behind Young Thug earliest production, my nigga, while also being the one to put Future on, my nigga. You don't know who Swamp Izzo is? Me neither. I just found out about this nigga recently. But let's put some respect on this man's name, because I telling you, bro, he brings a new energy to the music. Swamp Izzo.